Hey and welcome. This is Hayden from Connect. Thanks for tuning in. So in this tutorial, I'm going to have a very quick video to show you how to organize and make the most of your measures. I'm going to give you an example. In this data model here, lots of measures that I have sorted, so they're easy to find and they're relevant to me. Typically when you create measures in Power BI, it will drop them into any table. So let's see how we go about doing that. So in the previous videos, let's delete this one, we've created a number of measures, and as you can see they're spread out across different tables. So what we want to do is have a new table up here. So to do that, if you select the enter data here on the Power BI ribbon, what this will do, I'm just going to type a value in there and hit load. That will generate a table in the background, and it should appear here any second now. There it is, table. Right, so I just want to rename that to measures. You can create as many of these as you like. Now, to start moving these measures into the measures table, if you select a measure here, on the measure tools ribbon, it should automatically select you have a home table. So you just select the table that you want that measure to be located in. Very simple, very easy, measures. Once you have that, this column 1 that we had here, that we had to create a column when we created that table, you can now delete that. And that leaves you with a nice easy way to find all of your measures in Power BI. So very quick video today. Hope it was worthwhile. If you like it, please hit like, please hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Goodbye.